Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Google AI Studio with Replit. First, you should know that there's no direct integration between the two platforms, but there is a simple workaround you can use. Start by opening your project in Google AI Studio. In the top right corner, click Save to GitHub. A pop-up will appear asking you to link your GitHub account to Google AI Studio. Click the button to connect and sign into your GitHub account if needed. After that, authorize Google AI Studio so it can access your repositories. Once the authorization is complete, your project will automatically be uploaded to GitHub. You can check your GitHub account to confirm the files were added. Next, open Replit. On your dashboard, click Import Code or Design, then choose GitHub. If Replit asks you to connect your GitHub account, click Connect and approve the authorization. Once everything is linked, Replit will display your list of GitHub repositories. Find the repository you uploaded from Google AI Studio and select it. Replit will begin importing your project. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of your files. When the import finishes, your code will appear in Replit ready for editing and running. And that's it. Even though Google AI Studio and Replit can't connect directly, using GitHub makes the process fast and easy.